In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly scheduling in a Notion page. Start by opening Notion. I'm assuming you're already logged in, so once you're in, you should be looking at your main dashboard or workspace. From here, the goal is simple. We're going to grab your Calendly event link and place it directly into a Notion page as an embedded schedule. Next, open Calendly and log in to your account. Once you're inside, go to the Event Types tab. This is where all of your available scheduling options live, like your one-on-one meetings, discovery calls, or any custom event you've created. Find the specific event you want to embed into Notion, and then click the option to copy the link for that event. Once copied, that link is now ready to be used inside your Notion page. Now head back to Notion and open the exact page where you want the scheduler to appear. This could be a client-facing page, an internal team page, or a general booking page in your workspace. Once the page is open, click into the body of the page where you want the Calendly widget to show up, and type /embed. This brings up Notion's Embed tool, which is what allows external content like Calendly to display directly on the page instead of just showing as plain text. When the embed box appears, paste the Calendly link you copied. You can use Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac, or simply right-click and paste. After the link is in place, click Embed Link. Notion will take a moment to load the scheduler, so give it a few seconds while it appears. Once it finishes loading, you'll see the Calendly scheduler embedded right there on your current Notion page. At that point, the main setup is complete. You can click and drag the edges to resize it so it fits the layout better. And you can also move it around the page if you want it placed higher, lower, or beside other content depending on how your page is organized. That's really all there is to it. Your Calendly scheduling page is now embedded in Notion and ready to use. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip before you go. If the embed looks too small or cramped, resizing usually makes a big difference in how easy it is for visitors to use. It's also a good idea to double-check that you copied the correct Calendly event link before embedding, especially if you have multiple event types in your account. Once everything looks right, you're done. Congratulations, you successfully embedded Calendly scheduling in a Notion page.